there, my blood pressure's playing up again. There's a woman there with us in her frame trying to get across the sand.
Greg's made a bit of an epic fail, haven't you, Greg?
Yeah, look at the size of that pot. I think it's the clubhouse or it's outside. I'm not sure where we've got to go, but we're in the right direction anyway.
Digby, do you want to go in the play area?
Yeah.
With Daddy?
Yeah, Daddy pig, yeah.
On its own, number 2. On its own, number 2.
Yep.
On its own, number 7. All the 3s, 33. 7 and 3, 73. Right, we've done disastrous there. We had 6 games and got 0 on all games.
I got close.
There's more than 6 games.
There were 6 games? Oh,
No.
Yeah, there were 6
One
games.
line. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6 games each, yeah. Sorry.
Not really, still 6 on each. There's a bit more.
I need a wee.
Well, yeah, 36, but 36 chances and 1 0. So,
We won't be playing again.
There's a homeless man in my bedroom, that's going to be happy. One. Man is on the floor, red nose. I just want my chips. Bang!
he's
My
crackers, isn't
police come over now. I'm like, oh yes, have it all. I've jumped backwards like a Spider-Man, yeah, landed on the van, picked it up, loved it. I just want my chips. Bang!
Are you alright?
Yeah, you not seen it?
No.
Take your shoes and socks off.
Why?
You need to earth yourself.
I don't get what that means.
Earth yourself.
Right,
What happened then, Greg?
don't ask. Right, we're on the way to get some breakfast.
We're going to Weston-super-Mare.
We're heading off from the campsite. We turn left out the campsite and we're going down the country lanes. So we're on the hunt now to find the best rated breakfast. So Sarah, do you want to go through the phone to find one with the best ratings on?
Right, we're just heading into Weston now. If I do believe.
I'm going to say something though. One thing that we would benefit from is one of them power banks, you know, that people have, and they can just plug things, they charge it before they come out. They can just plug things in and just got a bit of electricity when you need it.
What is that, just as a backup, just in case you ever need it?
Well, it's just like if you wanted some, like your man come over to us yesterday.
To blow up the
our
thing.
neighbour asked if we had the pump to blow up, power to blow up the rubber ring that he's got or whatever he had. And I ain't got no power. I mean, we've got power in the van, but you have to plug into the site. But they had no electric on the site when
We're in the non-electric, yeah.
Now,
Right, here we are.
is the water in?
And I do believe on the left-hand side here, you can go and park on the beach, can't you?
You can, yeah. It's about £6, I think.
£6 for the day, is it?
There you go. 4 hours, £6, £10 for the day.
Right, okay.
And we have done that before, haven't we? And took Ted on there. It is
We
quite
did.
nice because we sat there with the back open, someone on his roller skates there, we sat there with the back open, and we just lay there and just watched the sea coming in and out. Happy days. And it's nice and clean. They've even got the road sweeper out this time in the morning, sweeping the pavements. There's a woman there with us in her frame trying to get across the sand, struggling there like mad. There's lots of stuff going on. The one thing that I must say about this place though, they charge you to use the toilet. Now I know they do that in a few places, but it's 20 pence for a week. So God knows how much it would be for a number 2.
We've got the big wheel up there, we've been on that, haven't we?
Yeah. We have, yeah, I don't like heights.
No. But Greg actually conquered it. I think ever since then, you've never been the same, have you?
Oh dear, no. Now one thing that I have found out here is that parking not only is available on beachfront, but it's also free after 6 p.m. at night until 8 a.m. in the morning.
You probably do. But Greg's made a bit of an epic fail, haven't you, Greg?
Epic fail?
He's just gone and bought a ticket for the car. And where is it, Greg?
I walked across town and it's in my pocket.
It's not like you walked the opposite way from the van. Is it? You walked past the van and just didn't put a ticket on?
It's you rushing me all the time.
Really? I rush you? I don't think that's true.
Tell me about the Odeon.
Yeah, so this is the old picture house.
Looks like it, doesn't it?
It does. It's got the old posters up on the side there. But
last used.
I don't know, but they've moved the cinema now to around the corner, haven't they? Hasn't it? Haven't they?
It's not the Odeon though, is it? That's
Cineworld, isn't it?
Cineworld, different company.
Yeah, but you're only really going to have one cinema in the town centre, aren't you?
So I wonder what that's going to be. Something like Gala Bingo or something like that. Isn't it? A big old place. Just managed to find in the charity shop a teapot with some cups that are smaller. I mean, I think she's gone from one extreme to the other there because you're not really going to get much of a cup of tea out of there, mate. It's more like an espresso.
Look at that teapot.
Oh, that's the one. That's the one we need. Look at the size of that pot.
Ted, sit down. Good boy. Ted. Hi.
There we have it.
Tea for two.
I actually got burnt yesterday, didn't I?
You did.
I was sunbathing yesterday, not really sunbathing, but I was having a little nap in the sun.
Yeah, his dad put out.
And later on in the evening, it was bright red.
Sarah said, "What's the matter with your face? Why are you so red?" I thought, "Oh dear, my blood pressure's playing up again." And then I said, "Hang on a minute." I had a look down my jumper. I'm like a tomato.
Like a tomato.
He's still a bit red today. He was red as that gazebo out there.
I'm at the tingly stage now. You know? It's like pins and needles.
tingly stage.
Little pins
Dad,
stabbing me.
Dad, what's this?
Who threw that?
Oh, dropped it.
Did you put milk in it?
No.
come to go get
Are
some.
you serious?
No.
Have you put milk in or not?
No.
Come to go get some.
Milk in there. What does she do? It mess about to it so much. That's what you call a tea. Yeah, for £2.50.
It was free.
We actually got this for free. So if you want to know how to get a free cup of tea from Costa,
Get the app on your phone.
subscribe to the channel.
I think you just.
subscribe.
I think you just get the app on your phone.
Just lie to you now, just to try and falsify.
Now I think we need to
Subscribers.
head that way if we're going to
Put
go.
the ticket on the van.
How are you? So yeah, Greg's overall, we'll give that one a 7. That was the
Mine.
tavern in the town or something.
Tavern in the town, but
Right,
it was
now-
£10.95, right? It was £10.95. Now, we could have gone to Premier Inn. Is your mic on?
Yep.
Could have gone to Premier Inn for $9.99 and eat as much as you want. So that's why it's got a 7.
But we thought we'd try somewhere different because we always go for the Premier.
Was a large pot of tea though.
What's wrong with your eye?
Huh?
What's wrong with your eye?
I had something blow into it then. Large pot of tea, I had 2 cups out of it.
Welcome to Weston.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
The high street. There's a few shops up here. We've got a Boots, we've got Sovereign Shopping Centre. We've got the B&M Bargains and the Poundland.
Go in there.
A few banks if you wanted to get some money out. We'll have a look in there in a minute. Is the hot spot that Greg's on about? The German doner kebab.
Right, let's get one.
That's what you're having in a bit, isn't it?
Hopefully.
Well, that's if you're hungry. Should we see what's on the menu? Boys. He won't go in, Greg.
Ah, go again.
Go on, Greg.
No, thank you.
Right, the pier over here burnt down in 2008. It was believed at first that it was due to deep fat fryers, but that was ruled out and it was caused by arson. And it cost, in 2010, it cost the owners £39 million to rebuild it. drag me on the Ferris wheel.
Right, shh.
And I'm not liking it, I've got to be honest, but have a look down there, I'm not. Oh, Greg decided not to come on. I can hear Ted, but now they've stopped us right at the top. And I don't know why. Oh, don't move it, please don't move it, because I don't like this. You wanted to come on it, yeah?
When we go on twice.
No, we don't. It's bloody raining as well now.
That is wicked. Sarah, he's not moving.
Get me down. Ring him. Tell him to put it down. Are we moving? Yeah.
Daddy, we're very scared.
But he stopped us at the top. Here.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, he was on about there's a boat loose or something.
Oh,
Shut up, mate.
but he stopped us right at the top. Why?
We go round twice.
We've got to go round again.
The maintenance guy's on the way.
Yeah, well, my hands were bloody shaking. Couldn't keep the camera still.
Alright, I'll see you in a minute.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
At least I think this is the worst ride to go on.
Yeah, it's like scary than the waltzers. Help!
Help, Greg. Right, I'll see you on the other side. So, what an end to a lovely weekend. We're going to head back home. The campsite and everywhere that we visited was dog friendly, child friendly. You couldn't really ask for a lot more, could you? Food places, absolutely great. We had a pizza last night in the cafe on the campsite, which was absolutely lovely. Overall, the campsite, I would say an 8.5 out of 10.
We'll never figure out